Hello, welcome back to another episode of Congolese dance tutorials. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be teaching you all again. So, what I'm going to teach you all today is something quite very interesting. I have no clue what it's called. So, if you know the name, comment down below and let us know. What's the same? So this groove has no name. Well, I don't know the name. So if you know the name, comment down below and let us know. But the groove goes a little bit like this. Oh, man, I can't wait to teach this. See you in a few.
Hi everyone, it's Brian here from Congolese Dance Tutorials, and we've got a new feature on this channel where we bring out a whiteboard just to give you small pointers of the move. So with this move, it's all about your footwork, your hips and your arms. Your footwork, it's all about small steps side to side, okay? Cece's going to run through that, but it starts with our footwork, and then for the most important part is our hips, of course, because this is Congolese Dance Tutorial and most of our moves always involves our hips, our waists, okay? So you move them side to side, but that is the most important one. Just remember that, okay? And then the last one is our arms. Our arms is just to emphasize the move, to really make it Congolese. Do you understand? Yeah? Okay. Hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. I'm going to leave you guys to it. So Cece, over to you.
Okay, so how this move works. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our feet first, and it's like a quick step. So it's titi ka, titi ka, titi ka, titi ka. So what I'm doing is I'm going to start my right leg. So I go right, left, and then you use your hip to like hit, if that makes sense. So to the left. So when I go to the left, I hit with my left, and then when I go to the right, I hit with my right. Ka. So it's 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit. Okay? So when you do it a little bit faster, it goes kiki ka, titi ka. Yeah? And then with your arms, what I do with my arms is you almost leave it behind and then you throw it at the ka. So if I'm going to my left, my hands are all facing the right. I go ka, ka, ba, ka, ka, ba, ka, ka, ba, ka, ka, ba. Yeah? So legs, hips, and hands or arms. Yeah? So you go titi hip, titi hip, titi hip, titi hip, then arms, 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 arms. And what I like about this move is that it's just simple. It's simple and it goes to the beat. You know, when you hear a song that has like a titi hit, hit, hit. Oh, love it, right? But yeah, that's how the move goes. So we're just gonna go and do it all together. You ready? Thank you so much for watching another episode of Congolese Dance Tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to follow, subscribe and like. Thank you so much for showing all the love and everything. So yeah, keep it coming, keep it flowing, and make sure you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell an auntie, tell an uncle, tell a grandma, and tell a grandma, tell a grandpa. And then when you tell a grandpa, make sure you tell your dad, your mom, and also your sisters, and your brothers, and also your cousins, of course.
Mario Zoua lokola fusée, Mario.